Every tech billionaire uses the exact same formula. Google does it, Meta does it. Even your favorite startup is probably doing it right now. And once you see it, you'll never look at tech companies the same way again. This is the hidden playbook that turns free users into billion-dollar profits. Let me show you how. Want the exact formula tech firms use to turn users into profit? I'm breaking down the three-step model that every major tech company follows, from acquisition to monetization. And here's the thing, this isn't complicated finance jargon. This is a simple, repeatable system that you can spot in every tech giant once you know what to look for. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Facebook gives you a free account, why Google pays billions for traffic, and why some startups with zero revenue are valued at billions. Let's dive in. Section 1. The Acquisition Engine. Step 1. Build the acquisition engine. This is how tech companies get millions of users without selling anything. Here's the secret. Tech companies lose money on purpose in the beginning. Netflix burned through billions. Uber lost money on every ride. Amazon didn't turn a profit for years. Why? Because they understand CAC and LTV, customer acquisition cost, what it costs to get one user, and lifetime value, what that user is worth over time. The formula is simple. If LTV is higher than CAC, you can scale infinitely. Take Instagram. When it started, they spent zero on marketing. They built a product so good that users invited other users. That's called viral coefficient. When one user brings in more than one new user, you get exponential growth for free. The smartest tech firms optimize for three metrics in this phase. Viral coefficient. How many users does one user bring? Time to value. How fast does a user see benefit? Retention rate. Do users come back tomorrow? If these numbers are good, losing money early doesn't matter, because step 2 is where the magic happens. Section 2. The Engagement Trap. Step 2. Build the engagement trap. This is where free users become valuable assets. Here's what most people miss. Tech companies aren't selling products, they're selling attention. And attention is measured in one metric that rules everything: daily active users, or DAU. The more time you spend, the more data they collect. The more data they have, the better they can target you. The better they target you, the more advertisers pay. It's a flywheel. Facebook perfected this. Every like, every share, every second you scroll, that's data, and data compounds. This is why social media platforms obsess over engagement metrics: session duration, how long you stay; frequency, how often you return; actions per session, likes, comments, shares. But here's the controversial part. These platforms use psychological triggers to keep you hooked. Variable rewards, like slot machines; infinite scroll removes natural stopping points; social validation, dopamine hits from likes. They're not evil, they're just optimizing for attention, because attention is the raw material for step 3. Section 3. The Monetization Machine. Step 3. Flip the switch on the monetization machine. This is where users become profit. Once you have millions of engaged users, you have 4 ways to print money. Method 1. Advertising. This is the Meta and Google model. They don't charge users, they charge businesses to reach users. Meta made $135 billion last year just from ads. The formula: more users times more engagement times better targeting equals higher CPMS. Method 2. Subscriptions. The Netflix and Spotify model. Get users hooked on free or cheap, then upsell premium features. The beauty? Recurring revenue is predictable. Investors love predictable. Method 3. Transaction fees. The Amazon and Uber model. Take a small cut of every transaction. When you're the platform, you win whether the seller wins or not. Amazon makes more from AWS and platform fees than from selling products. Method 4. Data licensing. The controversial one. User data is packaged and sold to researchers, advertisers, or other companies. This is why privacy is a hot topic. The smartest companies use multiple methods. Apple has hardware, subscriptions, app store fees, and advertising. Diversification protects profit. The complete formula. So here's the complete formula. acquire users cheaply through viral growth or paid marketing, trap their attention with engaging features and psychological hooks, monetize through ads, subscriptions, fees, or data. The companies that execute all three steps efficiently become trillion-dollar giants. The ones that fail at step 2 never reach profitability, and the ones that rush to step 3 before building step 2 lose their users. Now you see the pattern. Look at any tech company through this lens and you'll spot it immediately. ChatGPT, free tier for acquisition, engagement through conversation, monetization through ChatGPT Plus. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We break down business models and market strategies every week here on the Market Ledger, helping you understand how money really moves. In the next video, I'm revealing why some companies with zero profit are valued at billions. It's not what you think. See you there.